Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Grand California 600. This camper comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 177 bhp. The vehicle also comes with an automatic transmission. This example is finished in a two-tone colour combination, candy white over cherry red. The vehicle features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the vehicle sits on the 17-inch Lismore alloy wheels which come in a silver colour. Some exterior features include a roll-out awning, this high-mounted rear-view reversing camera, 2 window apertures in the rear doors, as well as a set of rear parking sensors helping you safely park and manoeuvre. Taking a look behind the doors and into some of the features here, in either of the doors we have a singular camping chair, and on the left hand side we also have a foldable camping table. The vehicle also comes with an outdoor shower with a hot and cold setting, as well as plenty storage space in the back of the vehicle. Joining me inside the Grand California, there is a very comfortable 2-berth sleeping arrangement to the rear with some USB Type A slots. Up top we also have a skylight letting in plenty of natural sunlight, as well as these airline style flight cabin storage compartments. Moving over to the bathroom area, there is a sink with a 2-way mirror as well as some shelves useful for storing those bathroom items. There's a foldable sink and the tap doubles as a shower head. This area is a full wet room, and there are 2 drain plugs in the floor, as well as this area having a Thetford cassette toilet. The Grand California comes with an excellent kitchen prep area. The vehicle comes with a twin hob burner as well as a sink with a foldable tap. Beneath this there are some storage drawers with a soft close feature. This area also comes with an extendable work surface. Below this there is a fridge with a rack as well as a freezer compartment, perfect for keeping all your food items chilled. Moving over to the rear passenger area, there is a twin-seater passenger bench, and up front we have 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. All the seats come finished in the Valley fabric seat trim covers, providing a luxurious and comfortable feel for those longer journeys away. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to connect with the App Connect or Android Auto feature, as well as having built-in navigation. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The Grand California comes with climatic air conditioning, which is perfect for those warmer months. Down and to the left there is a 12-volt and 2 USB-C charging points, handy for keeping those smart devices charged, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.